Are you struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? This Sleepy Chews will be perfect for you. It's natural with vitamins and minerals to support your sleep cycle. Imagine a good night's sleep that leaves you feeling balanced and ready to tackle the next day. That's where Sleepy Chews come in, giving you the extra strength and energy you need to get the most out of your rest. Don't just take my word for it. Click that little swipe up and get good sleep. Do you also want to create similar viral UGC video creatives that can get you high rows? If yes, then keep watching. I'll show you the tools and strategies to create eye-catching UGC content that boosts your ROS. Today, we will explore Vidau, an innovative platform packed with a wide range of tools designed to help you easily produce stunning, attention-grabbing content. The link to the platform is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out and follow along. First thing first, head over to the Vidau website using the link in the description. To begin, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Simply sign up, confirm your details, and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. As you can see, the interface is user-friendly and filled with hundreds of templates, so you can start making video ads immediately. Now, let's take a closer look at the templates. Vidau offers a massive pre-designed templates for you to choose from. Whether you're creating video ads for social media, YouTube, or promotional campaigns, there's something for everyone. Let's dive right into the AI avatar feature. To get started, simply click on the avatar icon. This will open up a range of options where you can choose or customize your own AI avatar to fit the style and tone of your video. We'll explore how easy it is to create these avatars and the different features that come with them. Here, you'll find a variety of male and female actors to choose from. You can select the one that best suits your project or the message you want to deliver. Each avatar is fully customizable, making it easy to match your style and preferences. After choosing your avatar, select the language and aspect ratio for your video. Then, simply click Generate Video, and Vidau will create your AI avatar video in seconds. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If you're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. I am an AI avatar created by Vidau AI. You can use me as your video actor. From here, you can edit the video script and even turn on subtitles for your video, giving you full control over the final output. Here, you'll find various subtitle templates, and you can also add animations to make your subtitles pop. You can also change the font and text size. If I click on the avatar icon, you'll see that in the voice section, there are multiple voice options to choose from. Preview the voices one by one and select the one you like. Let me know in the comment section below. This is the Card Archive, and just trust yourself, then you will know how to live. Nothing ever goes away until it has taught us what we need to know. You can also adjust the avatar's position, selecting from shapes like rectangular or circle. You can also change the avatar model with a variety of male and female options available to choose from. Once you've completed your edits, just click on the render icon to finalize your video. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to me. And that's it. Your AI avatar video is ready. Hi, I'm an AI avatar created by Vidau AI. With Vidau, you can easily make your own AI avatar videos just like this one, whether you're a content. Next up, we have URL to video ads feature. This allows you to easily turn a URL into a dynamic video ad with just a few clicks. Let's explore how it works. Simply enter your URL here and click the Generate icon. Vidau will automatically pull in the product name, description, images, and videos related to the link you pasted. Now, click on the next icon. From here, you can select the aspect ratio, video length, language, and your target audience. Here, Vidau generate 4 different video options for you. You can download and use any of them or further edit the one you like. You have the flexibility to change the background music, modify the script to better fit your message, and even replace the product images with your own. This gives you full creative control to customize the video exactly as you need. You can also change the background image to match your style. Once you're done finalizing your edits, simply click on the render icon to complete your video. And that's it. Your video is complete. Here you can see the final results, ready to be used. And one of the most exciting features is the face swap functionality. If you are finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. This allows you to swap faces in any video you upload, creating an entirely new look with just a few clicks. First, upload the video in which you want to swap faces. Next, upload an image of the person whose face you want to use. I'm going to use a demo video and an image of a woman to swap the face with. After that, you can refine the face swap by adjusting model settings and applying a face mask. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate and Vidau will automatically swap the faces in the video. This is great for fun or promotional content where you want to make a creative twist. Vidau is your go-to tool for creating professional video ad, with AI avatars, face swaps, and much more. So if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, don't wait. Click the exclusive link in the description below, give it a try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.